What's up, everybody? I just wanted to do a quick video and show you something that Pro-4 Tactical just sent me. I'd received an email or a message on my Instagram from the manager of sales from Pro-4 Tactical saying, hey, we really appreciate you doing a Pro-4 Tactical video, so we want to send you some of our products to review. So they sent this monstrous box. I mean, this thing probably weighs 75 pounds, if not more, and it's just a monstrous box. When I already opened it up, obviously, because I had to know what was inside to see if it was video worthy. Obviously, it's definitely video worthy. But they sent this box. I opened it up and just about crapped in my pants. I was not expecting half the stuff they sent. All I can really say is my 1K giveaway is going to be super duper sweet, guys, because this just added a lot of flavor to it. As if I didn't already have enough flavor to it. You guys don't even know what I'm giving away yet. It's a pretty serious giveaway. So let's crack this thing open and see what's inside, guys. Now, like I said, this thing is literally like 2 feet tall and it's just huge. So let me get some camera adjustments going here and then we will get right into it. Alright, guys, so the first thing they sent me, you guys have all seen, I gave one away at Christmas time. It's the Pro-4 Tactical 4-piece survival set. This thing is super duper sweet, guys. I'm definitely going to be giving this away in my giveaway. So that 1K giveaway is coming, guys, I promise. I just feel like I needed to wait, and now I know why. This is going to sweeten it up quite a bit. So like I said, this is one of the pieces they sent me. Obviously, I already sent it, or I've already reviewed it and gave one away too, so that's pretty sweet. That's the fourth one that's passed through my hands now. And then they sent me something that I haven't been able to get my hands on yet, that I didn't know they made. And that's the Pro-4 Tactical Headlamp. And it's 300 lumens. Nice little lamp, guys. Hands-free, fits helmets, comes with batteries. There's 3 modes, high, low, and strobe. 300 lumens, 40 times brighter. I don't even know what these retail at, guys. I've really wanted a Pro-4 Tactical Headlamp, though, and I haven't been able to get my hands on one. I've never been able to review it. So let's go ahead and crack this open and check it out real quick. See if it's worthy. Since I haven't reviewed it yet, let's check her on out. I always wanted a Pro-4 Tactical Headlamp. I really like their products, guys. Yeah, I mean, it's not like top of the line, oh my god, super duper expensive stuff, but this thing's pretty cool, man. It's got a nice little setup on it, hands-free. Huh, check that out. LED headlamp. Wow, that is pretty cool. So, looks like it's got telescoping in and out. It's got your angles. Pretty sure that just came loose from shipping. Matter of fact, I know it did. And looks like the batteries go in the back here, huh? Yeah. And this is waterproof too, guys. So let's see if I can figure this one out. Okay, there it is right there. There's the battery compartment. Cool, that's why that lanyard's there. All right. So these batteries go in the back side. And Pro-4 Tactical's got warranties on all their products, guys, so that's kind of nice too. So let's kind of speed this up. I'm really super excited. The next piece of equipment, you guys are going to probably crap yourselves. I was not expecting it, but it came anyway. So let's get this in. These are in now. Let's check her on out. Whoa, holy crap, is that bright. That is a bright headlamp, man. Wow. 2 mode, 3 mode. Now let's get back to that main beam, and then you got the telescoping in and out. Pretty nice, guys. I really like that a lot. It's really super light. I was expecting it to be heavy with all this stuff on here. Looks like they got the Pro-4 Tactical. Let's turn that off. So when you turn this on, they have a black or a red beam in the back to show that it's on, which is pretty cool. That way someone can maybe possibly see you from the back. Wow. Awesome. Super awesome, guys. I actually want to try this on once and see how well it fits on my helmet or on my hat. Fits pretty nice, guys. I like that. I got my hat backwards. Fits nice. It's comfortable. Pretty easy to work with. Super bright. Wow. I like it a lot, guys. What a nice flashlight, man. What a nice little headlamp. I'm very happy to get that. Alright, so the last piece of gear that they gave me isn't actually a piece. It's like multiple pieces. Like I said, I was really shocked. I was trying to figure out why this thing was so damn heavy. I was trying to figure out why this box was so heavy, and now I know why. Because they sent me a whole, camera bump. They sent me a whole dang case of these awesome new Pro-4 Tactical Mega Tack Lights. So it's a mag light, guys, and they sent me 12 of them, a whole dozen, man. They're super nice. They retail for 50 bucks. They sell them for about 10 or 15. They're heavy duty. They're shock resistant, water resistant, everything, guys. They're really nice. Really super impressed with these mag lights, guys. They're not all that heavy. I mean, obviously it's a mag light. As far as the brightness goes, pretty damn bright. I believe 300 lumens. That's not bad. It's got the zoom in. It's got the zoom out. It's got that mode. It's got an SOS mode. And then it's got the standard mode right here. And like I said, they sent me a dozen of them, guys. It's pretty crazy, man. I was not expecting them to send me a whole dozen of these things. So that sweetens up the giveaway even more, guys. So I'll be giving away some of these. I'll be giving away 3. First, second, and third place will all get one of these Pro-4 Tactical Mega Tack Lights. I'm going to give away some to the family. I'm going to keep one for myself. But that's all I really got, guys. I just wanted to drop this down to you guys real quick. Watch out for the German EPA Part 2. It's a long video, guys. Man, I tried to trim it down. It was at 50 minutes. I got it trimmed down to 40 or maybe 39. It's a taste testing video for a huge meal, guys. So that's all I got for you. So God bless. Go wild. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.